Kia ora, and here's question 2D from last year's differentiation exam. This is going to be a pretty short video because this was a pretty straightforward merit question. So we're given a function and we have to find the values of x for which dy by dx equals 0. And we're told that you must use calculus and show any derivatives that you need to find when solving this problem. What a surprise. So let's start by differentiating. So dy by dx, this question's a product rule question. So we've got e to the x times the derivative of this thing, which is 4x minus 1, plus this thing, 2x squared minus x minus 1, times the derivative of e to the x, which is just e to the x. And we can see that we've got a common factor here, which is e to the x. So let's factorize that. We get 4x minus 1 plus 2x squared minus x minus 1, and we need to clean that up a bit, and then we're going to set it equal to 0. So we've got e to the 4x into 2x squared plus 3x minus 2, and we want to figure out when that equals 0. So let's just leave that ex there for now, and we take a look at this and very quickly make a decision about whether it's easy to factorize. And this one's very easy to factorize. We've got a prime number here, we've got a prime number here. So we've got 2x squared, and then the only factor pairs we have to check are 1 and 2. We want to have a plus and a minus, and we want to end up with plus 3x. So it's going to be plus 2 here and minus 1 here, and that has to equal 0. So e to the power of x is not equal to 0, so we don't get any solutions from that one. But 2x minus 1 equals 0 gives me x equals 1/2, or x is equal to -2 if that factor is equal to 0. So that's all there is to it, making it the probably shortest level 3 calc exam question ever written for merit. The only tricky thing you've got to do there really is to know that once you've got the e to the x part, that you have to factorize it out. And after that, you're just down to solving a pretty simple quadratic. Thanks for watching.